Hello everyone, in front of me is OnePlus 12 and let me show you how to apply dark theme. At first, enter the settings. Now find and select display and brightness, and all you have to do is to mark dark mode. And that's it. This is how you can apply dark theme. Once you want to customize it a bit, just mark scheduled. And here you can schedule dark theme, so it can be active from sunset to sunrise or at custom hours. Just mark custom and then personalize it however you like. You can also enter the settings, so just mark dark mode settings. And here you can change the style. As you can see, the display is changed. Then you can apply another wallpaper to dark mode, reduce contrast in low light conditions if you want to, and just personalize it the way you want. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.